Let's guys. It's ready. Mimi, sit down there. Your car seat, please. Kasi is parang nasa tuktok siya ng bundok, sa taas kami, and yung Kushalnagar is pababa siya. So doon tayo ngayon pupunta. Merong work related na gagawin si Abhi, and then after that we are going to our spot. Where are we going, Daddy?
Chikli Hole Resort Reservoir is there, but I don't know if it will rain, then
we can't go there. So hopefully hindi siya umulan pag andun na kami, but it will take us 1 hour pa na 30 minutes, 18 kilometers, so mga 20 kilometers from main Madikeri to Kushalnagar. At first akala namin yung mapag-assignan ni Abhi is dun sa Kushalnagar, but he ended up here in Madikeri. Daddy, first you were expecting Kushalnagar, right? And he asked me to search houses in Kushalnagar when he was still there in Mangalore waiting for his assignment. So akala talaga namin sa Kushalnagar kami. We were not expecting Madikeri, but Madikeri is good.
Everything is good.
Yeah. Kushalnagar or Madikeri, both are good. Sine-check lang ni Abhi yung pupuntahan namin. Actually, dalawa yung kailangan niyang puntahan before kami makagala. And then the little girl is there. Where's the little girl? Wait. Where is Mimi? Hi!
I did it on my car.
Put it back on. Good job. Uy, hala.
I know it.
Close it. Okay, done. Meron kaming nadaanan na nagtitinda ng rambutan. Ang dami ng kanilang rambutan. So, bili muna tayo. Nakaka-amaze yung kanyang tinda. Si auntie nagpa-picture din, oh. Marami nagsa-stop over dito para bumili ng kanyang tinda. Meron ding avocado. Hindi pa nga lang. Yes. Paborito din yan ni Mishka eh. 480. Mahal din pala. What did you buy? We'll eat later because you'll get sticky. Mamaya na natin kainin. What did you buy, love? Show me. What's that name? Rambutan. Rambutan. Just hold but don't eat that yet. Actually, there is one Filipina who commented on our previous videos that she lives here in Virajpet. It's like mga almost 1 hour na biyahe siguro from Madikeri. Pero hindi ko alam if nasaan siya dito sa Virajpet na area. I told her to message me on our Facebook page para makapag-communicate kami kung saan siya and hopefully makapag-meet kami, but as of now hindi ko alam if saan siya dito sa Virajpet. So at least kahit pa paano, I'm happy knowing that there is one Filipina living nearby. It's not very near but not also very far. Yeah.
Both side coffee plantations.
Puro talaga plantations.
It's getting hot.
Ang init dito guys. The weather here in Virajpet or even there in Kushalnagar is very different from Madikeri, and it's just like 30 kilometers away from each other, no? 30 kilometers.
Yeah, because Madikeri is on the top maybe. That's like
Sa tuktok siguro talaga yung Madikeri.
temperature is less there.
And dito mainit. Mainit pala. Doon sa Madikeri kanina, ang lamig-lamig. Kaya naka-jacket kaming lahat. But anyway, we are 17 minutes away sa pupuntahan namin. Yung aming kasama sa likod, medyo tahimik na. She's sleeping already. Tulog na siya. Parang UT din sana to guys, kaya lang hindi maintained yung kanilang mga daan. Daming lubak-lubak ba. But guys, sabi, this one, namaste. Hi. Ang daming bunga na kanilang passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
I have seen yellow, but this one parang peach yung
This
color.
juice is good, huh?
Sa Pilipinas parang yellow eh. Oh, it's there. Yeah, you can make juice. Can eat also with salt. It will be good.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
On the way na kami sa Chiquihole Reservoir. Madami-dami din yung mga sasakyan na pabalik guys. So, ibig sabihin marami na yung nakapunta doon. O, tingnan nyo. Dami mga sasakyan. This one going down, going up. Ito yung gusto ni Mishka last time eh. Up, down kami.
200 meters, turn right onto Kulkarahani Road.
water. So walang katao-tao. Ngayon ang daming tao.
The big umbrella we have taken, huh?
No, just the next right onto Ayan, daming sasakyan. Exit this. We're here.
We have outside also.
Daming sasakyan. Can go inside. I think there. Dito kami pumunta last time, if you remember, with Mama and Papa. Can go there. Daming tao. Mayroon ang mga nagtitinda dito ngayon ng mga snacks, guys. Daming tao ngayon. Nung last time doon kami pumunta yung sa may sasakyan. Hindi kami umakyat dito kasi parang close. Ito ngayon. Maraming tao. It's a long walk, gali. We need umbrella? No? Should I get it? Yeah.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like, the way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. You're mine, you're mine, mine, you're mine, oh mine, mine. In my life, baby, don't need much, a little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black when you look at me like that. Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like, the way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. Baby, you're mine, oh mine. In my life, baby, don't need much, a little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black when you look at me like that.
Wow, Mishi, that's so scary. Nakakatakot naman siya. But look at the structure. Ang galing din nila gumawa eh. The water is going down. Chequehole Reservoir. Balik na kami ngayon sa sasakyan. Dito kami ngayon guys. Malapit lang to sa pinuntahan namin. 5 minutes away. Nandito yung mga kaibigan namin. Hi! 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 Dito na kami ngayon sa isang coffee shop. Dito kami nag-meet ng kaibigan Abi. Dito kasi sila naghintay sa amin. Kasi may pinuntahan din sana silang tourist destination. Yung Dubari Elephant Camp. Kaya lang close ito ngayon dahil sobrang lakas ng tubig. White donut or this black donut? What do you want?
Black donut.
Okay.
I want black donut.
Okay. She's having donut. Bea will serve coffee.
Record you.
What is this, Bea?
This is tikuli. Light coffee.
Now what is that?
With measurement. So they will prepare the coffee in front of you. And then you can drink.
20 grams of 100% Arabica. And coffee name is Tikuli. 15 grams of 100% Arabica with it light roast. So this is light, very light coffee. So the water temperature is 92. The water temperature 92. We put 250 ml of. Okay. So we start brewing now.
Sure. We should look. Uncle will brew the coffee. Vivek is my model for this clip.
Make me, no?
You're too far from the subject. The two brothers.
Yummy.
Yummy. Imagine this background and hot coffee.
जाते वक्त के देख रहा था, देखा तो इधर से क्रॉस किया था जाते वक्त. तो जब लास्ट जैसे पहले आए हुए.
Use this fork. Use this fork. You were using this earlier. No?
एलिफेंट कैंप फरवरी में इसका बर्थडे था ना, तब हम आए थे बैंगलोर से इधर आए. हाँ, इसी फरवरी में. Is it good, Mishka? Is it good? Really good. Better, far better than this.
Coffee is ready. We have ordered chicken sandwich, chicken club sandwich.
Play, baby.
You want to play baby? She wants to play with the baby.
What's the baby?
Baby is coming. Baby will come to our house.
What's the baby's name?
Agastya.
Joshua.
Yeah, baby's name is Agastya.
Joshua.
Agastya.
Joshua.
Yeah, Agastya lang yung sabi.
What's your mommy said?
Agastya.
Joshua.
Yeah.
What's the baby?
It's Agastya.
Agastya.
What's
Yeah,
the mommy
Agastya.
said?
Agastya was a rishi.
Yeah.
Rishi Agastya.
Ate Jenny's son is also Agastya. His nickname is Agu. Now it shows why it is known to be the Scotland of India. Kasi ang ganda ng tanawin pagkatapos ng ulan.
Like during day only it feels like it's 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. No?
Oo. It's just 2:41 in the afternoon.
Yeah, and how beautiful it looks.
Yeah, ang ganda ng weather.
Weather is like dust. In north, people are getting fried in summer. Temperature is like pathetic, at pathetic level.
But here in the south,
And see, we are having sweaters and woolen, proper woolen jacket or something. Without jacket, you cannot go out here.
Yeah.
Outside
It's
it's really
really
that you need to
cold.
have cap.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Yeah. We're almost there. 13 minutes away. And then we'll go home. Aww. Just wait, love. We'll be there soon, okay? This is another town.
Sunti Kupa.
Sultikupa. Before Kushal Nagar.
What?
What is that? What is
I
it?
cannot pronounce it. How you will? It is Sunti Kupa.
Suntikupa. Suntikapa. Suntikupa. What did I say? How?
Sulti.
Sultikupa. I cannot
This
say.
is a person who is moving from Bangalore. Is really. First week I was so depressed. Like this, depressed.
But now
Those
you.
people in India who would have watched one serial is there, Panchayat, and I was feeling like that.
Yeah. But it's okay now. We're back home. Kasama yung mga kaibigan. Dito kami magla-lunch. Late lunch na. So I'm just preparing. Magluluto akong rice, puri, matar paneer, dal. Yan, basic na pagkain ng Indians. This is our late lunch. This is matar paneer. And yan yung puri. Parang light yung color nito guys because Abhi added cashew paste. Medyo light yung color na aming matar paneer. Our lunch is ready. Our puri, our salad, this is dal, and yung matar paneer. Meron din ako ditong rice, kung sino man yung gustong kumain ng rice. I'll just open this. Back here again dito sa homestay nila ni Binit kasi mag-i-enjoy yung mga boys. Kung hindi niyo ako maririnig, it's because of the sound of the stream. Malapit nang dumilim, yung mga kaibigan niya pinag-insist na mag-picture taking kami dito para may remembrance kasi ang ganda din naman ng view ng stream na to. Sabi ng owner, na-meet namin kanina, hindi daw river ito, stream. Okay. Maingay guys. Ano yan daw? Mga frogs. Dito tayo sa my bridge. You have to face this side, Daddy. That will be your background. There. You stand there. Michelle, look here. Wait lang, ha? Look here, Mimi. Sumunod si Binit sa amin para kunan kami ng aming family picture. Sobrang peaceful dito, guys. Yun nga lang, sobrang papasok siya. Kailangan mo talagang dumaan sa 1 kilometro siguro na plantation. Tas walang mga bahay-bahay na iba. So kung kayo-kayo lang, parang nakakatakot. Ito yung rest house ng may-ari daw talaga. Tas pag hindi nila ginagamit, yan nilalagay nila for homestay na per night. Tapos doon, meron pang daan. Parang doon galing kanina yung homeowner nito. Ayan, may bahay pa. Medyo malayo nga lang. Pero dapat matapang yung loob mo dito. Pabalik na kami, guys. Ito yung daanan dito paggabi kasi walang ilaw talaga sa likuran. Pag kayo lang, nakakatakot. Ito sila ni Kuya yung nagkapit sa amin kahapon tapos ngayon ulit. Wala yung mga lokal sila yun. Nagbabantay doon sa bahay. hindi namin natapos yung pag-cover ng libro ni Mishka, and tomorrow, pasukan na naman. So, we have to finish covering her books. Gala pa more. Anyway, maaga pa naman. 9 pa lang naman.
So we came on time.
Yeah. It's not that late. Just have to finish
And it's
this.
good that it started raining now. Huh?
Yeah. Umulan na ng... Andito na kami sa bahay. And Misha is already sleeping. There's still sandwich left. Marami pa kaming pagkain na natira kanina, guys. Meron pa nga yung sandwich na mula dun sa cafe kanina. Let's do this muna.